on, everybody?
What's up, guys?
We are back to another episode here in Sneak City. We have a busy morning. We did a little buyout last night, so Tia is hurrying to get this stuff all priced. Give you a little preview. What do we got?
Got a super clean pair, size 8.5, Fragment Jordan 1's, 2015 Chicago, size 9 on these. Some classics, basics, what's super hot right now, mochas, black dunk lows. Yeah, we did a little buyout last night, so came in, pricing it. If you guys are new, make sure to check us out on Instagram, The Sneak City. Also, you can find all of this stuff on our website, thesneakcity.com.
Let's see what deals we can get into today, guys.
Let's do it.
Hopefully, like, I think these two are pretty close, because these are like 440, right?
Yeah. Should have more of these ones, right? Yeah, we could just do straight spot.
Right, thanks so much.
Yep.
What you guys up to today?
Working for once. We're gonna watch the game tonight.
I know, that'll be I know you guys. Are you guys gonna close early?
No, we're just gonna miss the
First quarter.
Yeah. In that deal, he traded his Game Royal Jordan 1's and Arctic Punch Jordan 8's for our Wave Runner Yeezys. Hey, how's it going?
You guys?
Got a pair to sell?
Yes, ma'am.
So close. Nice.
The one thing I've ever hit on actual sneaker day.
Ever?
Ever.
Damn.
That's bad.
I haven't hit in a long time, too.
This week was especially tough.
So assuming no Travises?
Nope. No Travises, no Pollens.
How much were you looking for on these?
I could either do cash or store credit. I have to look around first.
Okay, cash for at 240, store credit like 275.
Okay. Let me take a look.
Yeah, sounds good.
I think I'll grab the Piper Royals
Okay.
and the pre-owned Mochas in 9.
Okay. You're gonna grab them from me all the time.
Yeah, yeah.
Probably does.
Somehow I got on like the sneakerhead YouTube algorithm. And I just got all these like channels and I'm like, okay.
Hell yeah. In that deal, he traded his City Market Dunks plus $515 for our Hyper Royal Jordan 1's and University Blue Jordan 1's.
How you doing, Tia?
Oh my god. Sweating so much.
Sweating? You having fun?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah. So awesome. I'm a contractor. We are tearing up this tile. We're gonna lay down like a gray, wood, brown laminate. So we gotta tear up all the tile, and then we're gonna go out of town, and Brian, the floor guy, is gonna come in while we're out of town and lay down the floor. So we gotta break all this out first.
There is a lot of it too. We've got all the way through to the kitchen. This does have the underlaying wood already, which we will cover over, which that might get on some millennials, but the bathroom also has tile. The first bathroom, and then there's a second bath over here. And this one also has tile, which will have to come out. But we're excited. Just giving a little before and after and a little preview just for fun.
Okay, end of day 2.
End of day, yeah, 2.5. I'm exhausted. Flooring is officially all up and ready to be laid. We are not laying it, but
Got this nasty alonium. From straight out of the 70s.
We got our cable hooked up today. We got our internet hooked up today. We got our security hooked up today. Yeah, it's been a really fun and busy day.
Anastasia screwed up all the doors.
I did not. I never.
Just kidding. Whoever built this house framed the doors not correct, so they don't fully shut. But until next time.
Hey, wait. If anybody's local and wants a piano, this piano came with the house.
Oh yeah.
Somebody take it.
Nobody's taking it.
It'll probably be gone soon.
Offering $50 whoever takes this piano away. OG boxes.
Yeah, left them in the shipping boxes.
Nice. Do you care if I just start taking them out?
Yeah, it's fine.
Stacking
Yeah,
them?
sure. Let me go ahead and start.
Yeah, go for it right there. Did you message us?
I did. That was me yesterday.
Yeah, I think that was me then.
Yeah.
Start. We can go one by one and then just keep track of it. Damn, these dipped so much. Holy crap.
Yeah, they came down. What? I looked at earlier. What are you seeing?
Yeah, 8. Wow, these went up so much.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, they went on a run. It's
Why?
crazy. Yeah. I don't know. I don't follow that one, but I saw it this morning. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Like,
You
Yeah.
seen that too?
Not right.
Holy.
Interested?
Yeah, like 700. Should we have retail on the Legend Blues? These are new, right?
Yeah.
We got 180 on these.
Is all your bigger stuff out? Your 14?
Did you check along the side? Actually, there's some down below as well.
I think everything on this is 13 and up, and then the bottom 2 rows down here to the 13.
What do you think on the toes?
300. $210 on those. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna pass on these ones.
Not gonna throw a number on them?
No,
Just,
no, you wouldn't like my number.
okay. All right. Can you split where I was at? I was a little bit higher than that. Thinking 47 for all of it.
Yeah, that's fine. Sweet.
Okay, right on.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
All good.
appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
Thursday.
Yeah.
In that deal, we bought these shoes for a total of $4,700. Both used.
Both used. I think I wore those twice, and then I wore these a couple times.
I give you like 100 credit for both.
Perfect.
Difference would be $475.
Dope.
$523 after tax.
Sweet.
In that deal, he traded these 2 pairs of shoes plus $475 for our off-white sale Jordan 5s.
And someone said they got them legit checked here, the guy I got them from, but I just want to double check before I trade them.
He got them from here? He got them
No, he said he
legit-
got them legit checked here like a year ago.
Yeah, these are not legit.
Oh, they're not?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn. Like, I gave a white cements and black cements for those
Where'd you
two.
get them?
A reseller.
Here, locally?
He said he got them legit checked here, and then,
These did not get legit. I
wow.
promise you.
Fuck.
These are like a really bad fake. I would never, none
Okay.
of my employees or nor me would ever. What?
Yeah, no, I
These are
understand.
legit. Just, I'd verify with a, like, with a.
Yeah, I should have been smarter.
Y'all can always do your trades here and everything too.
Okay, yeah.
Sorry about that.
Yes, I did.
Alright guys, that is a wrap for today's episode. I got Joe helping me out doing a closer. We're gonna show you guys what we bought today. Don't forget, everything that we show you can find it on our website at thesneakcity.com. If you guys are following us on Instagram at thesneakcity, you already know what we bought, but we'll show everybody on the tube. Here we go. What do we got, Joe? What do we got? What do we got?
Size 13 SB heads, we got you covered today. So we got the dark russet, size 13. Kumquat.
Come kumquat.
And then we also got the green J packs. And then these are the Walk of Fame SBs. Still learning all my SBs, so don't get too mad at me, everyone.
Don't come out for Joe, guys.
Also some great 4s. We got the Guavas. Don't know how they're still here. Size 7 for Bay. Sales. And then of course Travis Scott's. You don't see these DS every day now. Super, super buttery right here.
Dangerous wearing those around here.
That's
I know we
right.
picked up a lot of 8 stuff. I think we already put it on the wall. Let's go show them what we put over there.
Everyone that's been yelling at us to get some more foam runners and slides. We got a couple in. So we got the Bones, size 8. The Sand foam runners, size 8 as well. And the Moon Easy foam runner.
Oh, an easy foam runner. Easy as that.
Easy as that. And then I think we also got
We have some good stuff.
the people that don't want to spend hella money on a Sakai. 150 Iron Gray Sakai Blazer lows.
Yeah. Ow. What else we got? I think we picked these up yesterday too. Rubber Dunks, size 8, brand new, going out for $455. I remember when these things were sitting at like $200. Nobody liked them, but everybody's jumping on the train now.
That's how it goes.
That's how it be.
All right, everybody. Well, that's a wrap for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, shopping with us. We really appreciate it.
Also, one last thing. We are going to be at SneakerCon Bay Area, August 21st, 22nd. Me, Anastasia, Aaron. Yeah, we're going to be out there. Super excited to meet you. We got some SneakerCon tees. Bruce and Jordan are going to hold down the fort here, so the shop will be open normal hours. That's going to be the end of today's episode. Killed it.
Woo! Peace.
Now, guys.